Baby, when I tell you this look is giving the girls chills, if there's a girl that's beefing with you right now, she's gonna be hella mad after you do your makeup like this, girl.
Of course I had to make this song about you right now. Yeah. I told you I was gonna make this song about you right now. Yeah. Hey, bad little thing, yeah. True religion ginger, yeah. Super clean, yeah. What's good with you and me, yeah. Chasing dreams, yeah. Hit me when you're free, yeah. Sex me, that's just what I need, yeah. You got it, that's what I needed. You got it.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back. Baby, I said I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, my girl?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
Alrighty, my loves. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a affordable drugstore makeup tutorial. The reason why I wanted to do this is because the prices are looking crazy. Have you seen the price of eggs? If eggs are this high, I cannot expect you to buy a $50 foundation, a $40 concealer, a $40 setting spray. Girl. So I'm here to show you how you can slay your face for literally under $10. Everything that I'm using is under $10, okay? If that's your kind of vibe, then watch this video, okay? As you guys can see, this glam is very much glamming, okay? I'm obsessed with this look. It literally looks so freaking pretty. Girl, like when I tell you, you don't have to spend so much money on your makeup. Like, if it was nighttime right now, I would be getting ready to go to the club with $10 products on my face. They will never know. They will never know. So if you want to see how you can use affordable makeup and learn the techniques to beat your face the right way, you watching the right video. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, my love, so everything that we're using is going to be linked down below in the description box. So we're starting off with freshly washed face. I did use my Thayer's toner, which is from Walgreens, okay? So if anybody told you can't use those $10 products, they lie. So let's get into it. We're gonna go ahead and just clip my hair out the way because we want to get straight to the face. For my eyebrow pencil, I like to use the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pencil. This is a micro eyebrow pencil. It retails for about $3.99, maybe $4.99, and I really like it. If you guys watched my last video, I did try out the NYX micro eyebrow pencil, which is about $8, and I'm not gonna lie, this one's way cheaper and I like it way more. So we're just gonna go ahead and do a simple eyebrow look right now. If you guys need a full tutorial, let me know, but you guys can watch what I'm doing. Now that we're done with our eyebrows, we are gonna go ahead and conceal. So my favorite concealer is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer with the white top. The white top means it's a hydrating formula. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade, and I actually mixed it with a lighter e.l.f. concealer. That was actually the mattifying formula. I'll show you guys that later, but we're gonna go ahead and just conceal my eyebrows. I love this concealer because it literally retails for maybe like $7. It is so good, so high quality, literally gets the job done. I use it for me and my clients. It snatches my brows. It also does good at concealing my face. It is a really good concealer, okay? So we're done carving out the bottom of our brows. We'll do the top later, but let's go ahead and jump into our skin. So for moisturizer, I'm using the e.l.f. Holy Hydration, and this is such a great moisturizer. It has jojoba seed oil, it has grapeseed oil. It just has a lot of benefits, and I really love how it feels on my skin. It gets the job done. Now that the face is nice and moisturized, we're going to jump into primers. So these are two primers that I really like. This is the NYX, the Face Glue, and the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Very good OGs, and they're very inexpensive. Now this is for more if you have regular skin to, dry skin. But if you suffer with oily skin, I know Milani has a great like poreless mattifying primer. And then also the calamine lotion trick. That is going to help control your oils, and it's very inexpensive. But today I use my Power Grip, and baby, you see that grip, it's gonna grip this foundation the right way. And speaking of foundation, we're gonna jump into this foundation from Juvia's Place. This is the I Am Radiance foundation from Juvia's Place, and I really do like it. It's not sold at drugstores or like the hair store, but I can say it's still inexpensive. It's about $23, where more expensive foundations can range from like $40, $50, $60. So this is still very inexpensive, and it's a good foundation. Now, this does not say that I don't like my other foundations. I just could not find my Fit Me foundations. I could not find like my e.l.f.'s. Like, I really have that in my shop, and as you can see, I'm recording at home today, but they all are great. Okay, do not worry about that. Now, if there's anything that I can say I want you to invest in, it is a good foundation. But for now, we want to keep things very affordable. $23. It's a great foundation, and it gets the job done. I do also like to carve out the top of my brow with foundation. That's just so we get that natural eyebrow. Okay, we don't want it to look just too halo effect. So I'm taking this brush to blend it out. This brush is actually a Real Technique dupe. Okay, so you can get a Real Technique brush from Amazon, but they're going to be like $20 for the set. Then you can find them at Marshall's for about $15 to $10 for the set. But girl, I get my dupes from Shein, and I'm gonna link it down below. You can literally get like a full set for like $2 to $5. Like, literally so inexpensive. And as you can see, it's giving me that full coverage look. It is just perfect. So for concealer, I'm taking the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, but now this is the mattifying formula. I'm not crazy about the mattifying formula just because it dries down very fast, so you have to work very fast. I'm going to start blending very quickly. I do think I could have let it sit just a little bit, but I wasn't trying to take any risk. But when I tell you, this makeup look kind of made me like this concealer because it gave me luxury. Like I said, it only retails for $7. The shades that I'm using is going to be linked down below in the description box, by the way. Next up, we're going to go in with my Black Opal foundation stick. We're going to use this to contour our face. This also sold at Walgreens, Walmart, all those cheap, inexpensive places where we can save our coins and spend it on something else, okay? So I'm just taking my shade Hazelnut, and I'm just, putting it all over the areas like the forehead, a little bit above our cheekbones and the sides of our nose to make sure we are looking snatched and we are not just one color. I love to have definition. Next for blush, I'm taking the e.l.f.'s liquid blush, and this is in shade Miss Call, and this is just a beautiful hot pink liquid blush. Very inexpensive, a nice dupe for the Juvia's Place, which Juvia's Place is not that expensive, but it's still a nice, more affordable option, and it gets the job done. And I honestly really do like it because it has a great pigment control. So before we go into setting anything, I like to re-blend out my under eye concealer, and then after that, we're gonna jump right into setting, okay? So I'm taking my it's called IRL Revolution Setting Powder, which basically stands for In Real Life. So In Real Life Filter Setting Powder from Revolution. This is in shade Translucent, so it's very white. I do believe they might offer different shades. Other great setting powder brands is the Fit Me's. They have good setting powder. Airspun's pretty good. Black Radiance has some good setting powders. There's a lot of great setting powders that you guys can try out that's sold at like Walgreens, Walmart. They're all pretty good, okay? So just make sure you're getting the right shade so you're not getting any flashback. But I'm just taking this powder and I'm lightly setting my entire face just so my makeup can last all day, which it did because I did a skincare routine that will be uploading soon. And yeah, you'll see the makeup last. Only thing I don't like is that the powder just gets everywhere. Like, they didn't do a good job like containing the powder. But girl, You see how this face is set and locked in and everything was super inexpensive? Oh, okay. So now I'm going to take my I Heart Revolution. This is the Roxy blush palette, and I'm taking another dupe Real Techniques blush brush that I got from Shein, and I'm just tapping this on my face just lightly, setting everything, making sure it just still pops out. Now for lips, I'm going to take this dark brown lip liner. This is from the Kiss Cosmetics. I got this from the beauty supply store, and we are just going to line my lips, you know, make it look a little bit more juicy, okay? Make it look a little bit more pouty, a little bit more like, yeah. So I'm just lining my lips out, and then we're going to go ahead and take the Maybelline lip glosses. I will link it down below. I'm not quite sure what color I have, but I'm gonna go ahead and just take it. It's a nude shade, but it's a little bit more of a darker nude than I like. I do like a nude that's a little bit brighter, so I'm gonna show you guys an alternative that I like to do just to lift it up, which you've seen this trick 1,000 times before. But I'm gonna go back in with my very, very light concealer from e.l.f. and lightly, only in the center of my lips, I'm going to put the concealer just so I can get that three-dimensional perfect nude lip. Okay, to set everything, I'm going to take the NYX face glue. This is the setting spray, and we are just going to lock her in, baby. Drown that face. And when I tell you this face got me so many compliments. It looks so freaking tea. Like, baby, you could save money and still look good. This is living proof. At the end, I like to set one more time of my powder. No more extra powder, just pushing everything in, and yeah. All right, my love, so that's the end of today's video. In today's video, I had to show you guys how to achieve a affordable makeup look. Affordability is what we are going for, okay? We use majority drugstore products, and baby, when I tell you this look is giving the girls chills, if there's a girl that's beefing with you right now, she's gonna be hella mad after you do your makeup like this, girl. Then she gonna be like, oh, where she got her money from? Because makeup is expensive nowadays. The drugstore. But she wouldn't know. Yeah, because you're a teammate. You're part of the Team Stacy crew, and she's not. And any off of you is an off of me. Oh, okay. But yeah, guys, I had to show you guys how to achieve this look because stuff is just so freaking expensive right now. And I don't want you to ever feel turned away from makeup and feel like, girl, you just can't afford it. It's just not something that you could do right now. So I wanted to show you guys how you guys can achieve this at a very, very affordable price. I'm talking affordable brushes, affordable makeup products, affordable everything, okay? Everything that's used in today's video, like I said earlier, is going to be linked down below in the description box. Most of them are going to have links. If they don't, it's going to have the perfect description so you can find it. Also, I hope you guys like my new setup. I did get a new camera lens. I went shopping and just bought it. So hopefully you guys like it. I think the quality looks really good, but comment down below and let me know if you guys see anything. Speaking of commenting down below, don't forget to let me know if you guys are feeling this makeup tutorial, if you guys have some of these products, if you guys are thinking about getting some of these products, you trying to save a little bit of coins, comment down below and talk to me. Also, type this secret message right here. That is how I know you're a gang and you watch my videos all the way through. Shout out to you, my girl, because it's nothing but love over here. Give this video a big thumbs up. More likes let me know that you like content like this, and it's only right that I give you more. Subscribe to the channel, join the team, and just do it like Nike. I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to bring you guys some more content like this. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.